so you'll never believe it, but our Vegas trip ended up being a total bust thanks to Hurricane Hillary. Embarking on a brief escapade to Vegas with my husband, we initially contemplated taking a flight, enticed by the idea of swift travel. However, a flicker of caution prompted us to reconsider, fearing that Hurricane Hillary might disrupt air travel plans. Ultimately, we chose the path of the road, opting to drive and bypass the potential flight cancellations that over 300 Vegas-bound flights for the weekend were subjected to. Little did we know that this decision would weave an unforeseen narrative into our Vegas experience, allowing us to navigate not only the city's vibrant streets, but also the tempestuous forces of nature. Imagine stepping into the electric embrace of Las Vegas. A city that thrives on the night and dazzles with its neon glow. For me, the heart-pounding energy of the Vegas vibe is an irresistible call, though my version of indulgence takes a different form. While many are drawn to the thrill of gambling, my passion lies in the art of shopping. And the city has no shortage of places to explore. Even as Hurricane Hillary graced the city with her rain, the allure remained unshaken, casting a unique and glistening aura over the famous Strip. Armed with my camera, I captured the rain-kissed streets, the reflections in puddles, and the way the lights danced through each droplet. This trip, we opted for the opulent embrace of the Bellagio, a change from our usual haunt at the Wynn. The Bellagio proved to be a realm of its own, with its legendary fountains performing their aquatic ballet, indoor spaces adorned with spellbinding decorations, and a culinary journey that delighted the senses. Adding to the tapestry of my unique connection with Vegas, there's another intriguing facet that sets me apart. I have an insatiable appetite for discovering fresh corners to capture through my camera lens. It's an inexplicable attraction, one that draws me in each time with an irresistible pull. The enchanting allure of Vegas never seems to wane, and I find myself endlessly seeking out new pockets of visual delight to immortalize in photos and videos. Whether it's the rain-kissed streets glistening under neon lights, or the architectural details that unfold with each step, I am on a perpetual quest to capture the city's essence from every angle. There's something mesmerizing about freezing moments in time, preserving the magic of each visit, and weaving them into a kaleidoscope of memories. Vegas, a city of constant change and boundless energy, fuels my passion for exploration, making every journey a visual odyssey that I can never get enough of. As the rain painted the windows with delicate patterns, I found solace in the comfort of the rooms, rivaling the splendor of the Wynn. And then came the scariest part, the journey back home. Traveling by car through the aftermath of Hurricane Hillary was an experience that defies description. The wind howled and the rain lashed against the windows, creating a cocoon of fear that seemed to suffocate us. It was a reminder of nature's immense power and our vulnerability in the face of it. As we navigated through the storm, I couldn't help but think of the stark contrast between the vibrant Vegas lights and the tempestuous darkness that surrounded us. The ordeal was a stark reminder that even amidst the allure of adventure, safety should always remain a priority. As the storm finally subsided and we arrived home, a profound sense of gratitude washed over me. This trip had been a lesson in embracing life's twists and turns, whether they be in the form of rain-kissed Vegas nights or the challenges of nature's fury. So, to all those who embark on their own journeys, I offer a simple reminder. Stay safe and enjoy every minute of your life, for each moment is a precious gift waiting to be unwrapped.